Alright, so this is Dan. Dan is a firefighter and he came in with low back pain. How you feeling, Dan?
Pretty good.
Feeling better since you started coming in?
Absolutely.
That's wonderful. So today we're just going to adjust Dan and make sure that we're keeping him in alignment and keeping him from getting sick and feeling any pain. So we're going to motion all these segments looking for the subluxation. So we found one right here, right at C4. We're going to adjust that subluxation. Beautiful. You okay with that, Dan?
Yep.
Then we're going to go right here at C2, going to the head and going to the sinuses. Beautiful. All right, Dan, face down. So we work our way down, we feel for any tightness. We feel for any bones that are rotated or misaligned and not moving correctly. We found one right here between the shoulder blades. So take a deep breath in, all the way out, right at T7. Perfect. We'll work our way down right to T10. One more deep breath in. And out. There we go. Alright. We work our way down to the low back subluxator right here on the right SI joint. I'm going to have you lay on your side and face me, Dan.